Information and Communication Technology Minister Tatenda Mavetera has hailed the deployment of Starlink internet kits to Zimbabwe's rural district council as a major step in bridging the digital divide. But critics say the move reeks of misplaced priorities in a country where basic public services are in shambles. Nsanapera mashoko vanhu vachikriticize the move yaitiwa nana Mavetera vanouya panapa vachinodonata Starlink kits, but the same rural communities they are struggling. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon. In a statement issued Wednesday, Mavetera announced that the ministry had distributed both computers and Starlink kits to all rural local authorities, claiming it was part of a broader push toward national digital inclusion. In quotes, as we journey towards our digital transformation agenda of empowering every corner through ICT services in Zimbabwe, our ministry deployed, firstly, computers, and secondly, Starlink kits to all our rural district councils and local authorities, she said. She went on to declare that no village should be left offline, portraying the rollout as a key milestone toward achieving the government's Vision 2030 agenda. But for communities that still lack electricity, healthcare facilities, qualified teachers, and even clean drinking water, the introduction of satellite internet is being met with more confusion than celebration. Critics argue that flashy technology projects, mainly too in rural councils where dilapidated clinics operate without nurses, schools have no textbooks or toilets, and entire wards go for weeks without power. In an apparent effort to frame the initiative as a broader reform drive, Mavetera also pointed to a sensitization workshop conducted by the Ministry of Local Government and Public Works. The workshop included the launch of a minimum service delivery standard dashboard, a digital tool meant to track real-time government performance. However, many observers view the dashboard as yet another symbolic gesture with little bearing on the daily struggles faced by rural populations. Data dashboard, they say, don't patch potholes, deliver medication, or fix broken boreholes. Ndomashoko ari kubuda panguva ino mbodza mafunguro enyu tiona ZANU-PF panguva ine chicriticizwa over misplaced priorities. Nekucomment section medu za mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.